be a series on showing you taking videos in your yard. Some of this is going to be in the shade, some of it's going to be in the sun, and I'm going to show you that when it's shady like this, your pictures turned out so much better. It's always better to take pictures on a cloudy day, early morning, or late in the evening, right before the sun comes up or right before the sun goes down. Light enough to get a good quality picture, but not causing shadows. So this is what I'm going to show you on this. Different versions of the same item at different times of the day. As you just saw a couple seconds ago, I had this picture taken, and you can see that you couldn't see the legs fully because I had the grass clippings not pushed down firm enough. And now, as you can see, I've pushed them down and how much better my picture looks. I am really guilty of doing things like that, and I'm always having to do retakes because I have forgotten something or didn't center something properly. Earlier I had this little teapot and the little teacup off to one side instead of being centered. It made a better picture. These are just little hints, and I'm guilty of every single one. I wait too late in the day to take my pictures. I don't center my items good enough. I don't look at everything, and I'm always taking pictures and having to delete them because of it. This is just another tip. Hi to all my fairy followers. Here is an update of the August fairy crate that I got this month. I got this wonderful little fairy looking into the future of Grandma's fairy garden. I got two chairs and a table, beautiful flower pot with flowers in it. I have a little wagon and a little scooter and a little porcupine operating it. Super cute. And maybe we're going to start a deck of cards with my fairy crate, because I have 8 of winter and 9 of winter, and they're cards. And so we'll have to see if I can get 52 cards. Who knows? But I thought this turned out really cute this time. I actually put everything in one fairy garden and it all looks great together. So really, this was probably one of my most pulled together fairy crates that I've gotten so far, because I didn't have to put in multiple gardens. I had one space and everything fit, and everything was size-wise went together really nice. Really enjoyed this one, and I hope you enjoyed this update, my fairy followers. Don't forget, if you haven't already, click on that little button and join, and don't miss out on anything that's going to come in the future. And please put into the comments if you sign up. That way I know who's signing up, or I can go check out yours. Bye for now. Don't forget to put under comments. And if there's anything you'd like to see or do in the future, please put that under comments too. Another piece from my fairy crate, as you can see. It's the mailbox that I got. Thought it looked pretty nice with this house in here. It's next to the fence. So this is where I put the mailbox from my fairy crate. I have one more piece to show you. Sorry to say, this is the last piece from my fairy crate. As you can see, it's one of my favorites. I wanted to share with you. I did this little container a while back, last month, and I thought it would fit nicely in here. Mostly I have succulents in this one. I have the little post to put the mail and the little doggy. You know, little doggies love to pee on things like that. But thought my little bird bath would fit perfectly in here, and I think it's doing really well. It's not the best of time to take a picture because the sun is already up, and as you can see, it's not very clear. You need to get out at the crack of dawn if you want really good pictures. but I thought it turned out pretty good. A lot of detail on this, the feathers, the eyes, the beak, the feet, and of course my favorite thing is the water. So that is the end of my fairy crate. Hope you enjoyed seeing what I did with them all. I just put them in other things I already had. And I just stuck it in the flower bed. For we'd have a nice backdrop. And I'll back up a little bit so you can see the container itself. Really all it has is a few succulents in it, but I put it in the flower bed where we'd have some flowers for some more color. That's a great thing about container gardens. You can move the containers anywhere you want. You can stack them on top of each other. That's what I love about container gardens. I do have a big garden here with lots of flowers that are in the ground, but I have containers running through it also. It's just another one that I have. Bye for now, my fairy followers. Until next fairy crate. Our little elf from my fairy crate also. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I just love all the little details, the little rosy cheeks. Oh, he's one of my favorites. I just love it. Love it. Well, anyway, now you saw what I did with 1, 2, 3, the items from my fairy crate. So, hope you enjoyed this update.